When I say this Texas boy was not ready for this, he was not ready for this. This is wild. All right, y'all, so I know I said see you later to Colorado, but we are out here in Denver, and we have a special guest. We have a special guest today, and we're getting lunch right now. So yeah, stay tuned to see who the special guest is. Okay, hey y'all. So we are here at Carbon, is it called? Carbon Cafe and Bar, which is a place out in Uptown. I hope so, I think so.
It is Uptown, yeah.
Okay.
Uptown,
and we have our special guest.
I'm Brenda. I'm like Joe's like longtime friend. We like knew each other in Scouts. He's super cool doing this road trip. Like only he could because he's like an Eagle Scout. But yeah, so I'm super glad to see him out here.
Wow, thank you. Alright, y'all. So now it's for real. See you later, Colorado. Because we are off. We are off to Wyoming. We are headed towards Grand Teton National Park, where our next destination is gonna be. So hang around, y'all. Stay tuned. Y'all, check out this, man. So there's wildfires right now in Colorado, and this is what it looks like. Look how the fires got the air. This is wild. What's happening, y'all? Good morning. We are headed to Grand Teton. By the time we get there, though, it might be raining, so we probably won't get to see any beautiful nature today. And if the temperature drops low enough, it's gonna be snowing tonight. Your boy is not ready for this. But yeah, stay tuned. We gonna see what's up. What's happening, y'all? We are finally here. It's beautiful out here, y'all, and we are heading to a potential campsite right now. Yeah. What's happening here? Oh, I think there's a moose or something. What's out here? All right, hold up. Let me pull over real quick. I'm gonna see what's over here. All right. We gotta be quiet, but let's see what they're seeing over here. So looking back on that video, I don't know if y'all can see those big moose, but they were huge. But your boy had to go because I gotta find a campsite for tonight. And if those moose or meese, comment below, how do you pronounce multiple moose? But anyway, if they started charging at me, it would have been game over because my legs are still sore. But hopefully we get this campsite tonight. Let's see. So we are here at the campsite. I'm gonna give y'all a tour real quick before it gets dark. So I got my cot camp thing set up. I have my hammock set up, but it looks like I won't be able to use it tonight. Got a table, and then got a little fire pit grill thing. So your boy's about to start a fire, cook up some dinner, stay warm, and yeah, stay tuned, y'all. Your boy still got it. When I say your boy still got it, I mean your boy still got it. Outdoor certified, baby. Let's get it. I'm about to try to stay dry, stay dry and warm, eat this dinner, and I'll keep y'all updated. I woke up to use the restroom because you're not supposed to hold in your pee when it's cold outside. Check this shit. When I say this Texas boy was not ready for this, he was not ready for this. This is wild. This car has never seen snow like this before. Alright, y'all. I'm back in my tent. And yeah, we about to get some sleep. Or try to get some sleep. And I'll show y'all what it looks like tomorrow morning outside this tent. This ain't it. Good night, y'all. Y'all, I thought I was gonna sleep in this tent, but snow keeps falling on this. And check this. This just fell in my tent. Bruh, a whole tree. So you know what? We sleep in the car tonight. Alright, y'all, we are safe in this car. I was gonna tough it out. And sleep in the tent out there. And I was in the tent, but that branch fucking hit me. And then I keep hearing noises and shit. All these cars are leaving. What is happening? Should I leave too? I hear noises. I swear bears are out there, bro. But I'm gonna stick it out in the car tonight. And yeah. My car is covered in snow. I do not want to go outside right now. It's so cold. Alright. Let's do it. We about to step out to the world and see what's up. Oh, my door's stuck. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Y'all. It is winter wonderland out here. What the hell? Check this. This is wild to me. Yo, bless my campsite neighbor for coming through with the ice thing. Cause your boy can get out of here now. All right, what up, y'all? So right now we are on Jenny Lake Scenic Drive, and yeah, I'm just gonna drive through here and show y'all what's up. So enjoy. Hey, what up, y'all? So that was Jenny Lake, and that was the scenic trail for Jenny Lake. We are now on the Taggart Lake trailhead, and we're gonna go see Taggart Lake, and Bradley Lake. So yeah, stay tuned. up, y'all? So that was Bradley Lake that we just saw, and now we are headed to Taggart Lake. But while I'm heading there, I gotta be careful, because this snow falling from these trees, that's a hazard. There's a hard hat area, y'all. But stay tuned. What up, y'all? So been about 24 hours, but today I haven't done much. I just chilled around, went to see Lake Jackson, and yeah, that's about it. That's gonna be it for me for Grand Teton National Park. Stay tuned for the next video where I go to Yellowstone. Peace.